How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Well, if you have just bought yourself a brand new Redmi Note 10, Note 10 Pro or even the Note 10 Pro Max and want to make better use of the center camera cutout that we get in Note 10 series of smartphones, then this video is super useful for you. Today I will be showing you how you can easily enable this beautiful LED light around the notch. So whenever you receive any notification or message from your friend, you will have this LED light blinking around your camera cutout. Guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end, because if you miss any step, then you won't be able to get this working on your device. With that said, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first thing first, go to your Play Store and search for this application called Always On Edge Lighting. It is totally free to download and I will also make sure to leave a direct link in the description. Once you're done, now open the app and you will have this kind of interface. Guys, I will be explaining each and every setting in this application, so stay tuned and watch this video carefully now. First, go to main settings, click on required permissions and enable this option called independent lighting controller. It will ask you for accessibility permission, so allow it from your settings. Now go back and grant permission for notification access as well. Finally, you need to allow one more permission for display over other apps. These are some basic permissions, you don't have to worry about anything. Once you have grant all the required permissions, simply save the settings by clicking on free option. Then go back to the main menu, this time select app settings. Here you need to confirm when you want this LED light on your camera cutout. I will choose when a notification is received and screen is off. Also make sure to grant permission for notification access. That's it. Scroll it down, you don't have to change any other settings on this page. So just tap on the save button. Finally select lighting settings from the main menu and click on this option called lighting placement. Now select the option called around notch only. Well, if you want the LED light blinking around the whole screen, then you can choose that as well. But I will recommend you to select around notch only. Next, go to enable notch support and set it as adjust manually. Here you will get different notch type. Since Redmi Note 10 comes with a O-shaped notch, so simply select the notch type as O and placed it on the center. As you can see, the LED light has not placed properly, so you need to change the dimensions. Make sure to keep the notch height and width as 42. Curve radius will be 15 and the top size will be 32. Once you have done with all the dimensions, now set the edge thickness as 8. You will have a perfect LED light blinking around your camera cutout. Other than this, you also get the option to select different styles for your LED light, such as shine, flicker, sparkle, pulse and more. It even lets you change the color and the effect as well. Basically, there are so many customization options available and you can simply play around with these settings. Once you are done customizing your LED light, simply save the settings and that's it. Now whenever you receive any messages or notifications, you will have this beautiful LED light blinking around the camera cutout, which I think looks great on the Redmi Note 10. Guys, this LED light will blink only for 8 seconds. If you want to extend it even further, you can easily do it by going into the app settings and then select this option called repeat lighting every 15 seconds. So that's pretty much it. If you still face any issue, then let me know in the comment section, I will surely help you out. And if you own any of the Redmi Note 10 device, then do subscribe to this channel because a lot of Redmi Note 10 videos will be coming for you. I am planning to make a video on hidden tips and tricks as well, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.